Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_Home for 4. Today we're gonna test out how to cook polvoron. Today with me here is my daughter.
Hi.
Inday. So what is polvoron? Polvoron is one of the Filipino like a short bread or a snack. But when I was in the Philippines, katunggag may pami, my mama, she makes polvoron and then we sell it. It's at school para nami allowance. So kay balo na ko ani mohimo sa una, pero I'm sure na my mom has a secret ingredient, but it's not gonna be a secret anymore if I'm going to put it in the video. And I also haven't asked her, so we're gonna attempt to make polvoron today based on what we remember or what we think should be the ingredient. Okay, so for now we're gonna prepare the ingredients and we'll be right back.
Bye.
Bye. So we're gonna make one batch of, like, it's just a small batch of polvoron, but we're gonna divide it in half. We're gonna do the other half as just like the the basic polvoron, and then the other half my daughter is going to be grinding Oreo cookies. So we're gonna do the other half with polvoron cookies and cream flavor. So we have prepared all the ingredients. So we have 4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. We have 2 cups of powdered milk, and then 1/2 cup of white sugar, and then 4 cups of butter. We will melt this one later before we mix it with the rest of the ingredients. And then this is the grinded Oreo cookies. We have 4 pieces of Oreo cookies here that my daughter grinded earlier. And of course, for the things that you're going to be needing, you're going to need this spoon, and then you will need this later. And then this one, you're going to need it too. And also a pan like this, or just, any type of pan that will accommodate all of your ingredients. First thing that you're going to be putting in the pan, of course, you're going to have like to warm up the pan, but the heat should be low para dili masunog ang imuhang harina. Okay, we're gonna put the 4 cups of flour first. The secret, I think, as far as I remember, sa akong mama, constant jud siya or continuous stirring para dili mapagod ang imong harina or the flour will not burn. So, para even ang iyahang pagkaluto. So, we're gonna do that for until the flour will turn into brownish or light brown. You don't have to wait until this is really like dark brown. You just want it to be brownish. And one of the ways that that'll tell you that the flour is ready is that when you smell that it's really like, smelling delicious and smelling cooked, that's about ready. So when that's almost ready, you're gonna start melting the butter so that when the flour is ready, you can combine the butter with the rest of the ingredients. You have the flour already cooked. You're gonna turn off the heat, and then the next thing that you're gonna mix is the powdered milk. So, okay, powdered milk first, and then mix. And then next would be the white sugar. And then mix. And then once everything is all mixed, you're gonna create like a little, what do you call that, crate in the middle, so we can pour the melted or softened butter. This smells so good. The mixture is already mixed and then the butter is melted. We're gonna pour the butter, the melted butter, slowly. Do not pour everything in because you want to know if the consistency of your polvoron mix is good. So pour some, maybe half of the mixture or the butter, and then mix it. And then if it's enough, you know, if there's like you can tell from the mixture if they're ready for molding. So for now, we're gonna be mixing this like this, and it looks like it needs more butter. So we're gonna pour more butter. While you're mixing, you will feel in the mixture if they're, you know, if they're like kind of like a Play-Doh texture. So if they're like that, then they're ready. But if not, see, there's some of it are still dry. So you can pour more butter. After mixing a little bit, this is now the consistency of the polvoron mixture. Since we're going to be doing two sets, one with just the basic polvoron, and then the other half will be mixed with cookies and cream, we're going to be moving the like half of this polvoron mix into a container. Looks like a brown sugar right now, but it smells so good. So this is the batch that we're gonna be doing, just the basic polvoron. So we got this mold from Amazon. I don't know if you can see it, but our mold is round. There's another kind of mold that's like oblong in shape, but we got this mold because it's the cheapest. But in the Philippines, you can probably buy this in the market or mercado. They're very common, but we're gonna be dropping the link in the description box down below if you want to buy this type of polvoron mold, and also the other types of polvoron mold that are available in Amazon. So this is the mold that I was talking about earlier, but yeah, we're gonna drop the Amazon link in the description box down below if you want to buy this type of mold and the other type of polvoron molds that are available in Amazon. But we're gonna do it now. So first, you just push it like that. The secret for to a polvoron that doesn't crumble, I guess, is to like really push it down like that. Okay. And then there you go. That's our first polvoron. And we keep on doing. It smells so good, by the way. And I think you can clean your mold if you think that there are extra things that or polvoron mix that are sticking on the mold, so you can actually clean it. And I'll just get a paper towel. Not paper towel. A spoon will work too. So clean it. Clean your mold from time to time, so you have like a smooth polvoron. So my daughter's gonna try, or I'm gonna show her how to do it so she can try molding the polvoron. So first in die, you just push it like that. And then kind of like turn it. And then once that's already smooth, use your finger to like kind of like smoothen the side. Like that. And then you put it over here. You push it down like that. And then that's it.
Oh,
Okay, you wanna try? Let me clean the spoon first. Okay, here you go.
Like this one?
You don't have to push this first. Yeah. Okay, like that. And then kind of like a Play-Doh, you're trying to shape it. That's good. Push it down slowly, slowly. Yeah.
Like that.
That's awesome. Do you want to try some more?
Yes.
Okay. Don't lick your finger though. Okay, here you go. Push it like that and then push it hard like that. And then yeah. So we didn't buy any wrapping thingy or cellophane because I don't think it's available here. It might be available at Amazon. If it is, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. But anyway, we are ready to try the polvoron. You go ahead, Rianne. Get one. And Franz. And me. And Daddy. Here's yours. I'm gonna put yours over here. Taste it.
That's good.
It's good. The next batch will be the one with the cookies and cream.
That's delicious. Let's make more of this.
Yeah, it's good. High five. Okay, this is the other half of the polvoron mix that we're gonna be mixing with grinded Oreo cookies. So that's cookies and cream. We actually, or my daughter just actually grinded four pieces of cookies and cream. There are a lot of different flavor that you can make with polvoron mix. The first one that I did was just a basic polvoron mix, but there's always like pinipig, this one cookies and cream, and then there's also coffee, and I think there's a lot more if you look up online. But 4 cookies I think is just enough for the whole thing. So this is the polvoron that my kids molded. The cookies and cream flavor. So they're gonna try it. Let's see. You molded it.
Oh no.
You
that broke.
try it.
That broke.
Good thing I got one that didn't break.
Bite size. So,
Mmm.
I like the other one better.
you like the other one better?
Mm-hmm.
You don't like the one with the cookies and cream?
It's too chocolate thing.
Chocolatey?
It's
Yeah.
very good in my opinion.
Okay. Well, that's good. You help a lot, Rianne. Well, Kuya is just a taste tester. Hope you enjoyed today's video of us making polvoron. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. And as always, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!